Ready to turn your customers' digital deals into seamless checkouts? Stick around and we'll show you the step-by-step process to keep your sales smooth and your customers happy. Welcome to another Loyal and Save training video. In today's session, we'll be going over how to redeem the digital coupons in POS. Add a loyalty customer to the transaction. Loyalty customers can be found either by entering in their phone number, scanning their license, scanning the QR code from the app, or scanning a loyalty card. Next, scan the UPC of the item tied to the digital coupon. Select Subtotal. If the customer has any loyalty dollars available, you can redeem them now. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and press Cancel. Scan the barcode of the digital coupon presented by the customer. Select an item to apply to the coupon. Then click Apply. To complete the transaction, click on the Cash button. The digital coupon can also be located on the customer's profile. Select the corresponding coupon from the customer's pending coupons list, then click Apply. Select an item to apply the coupon. To complete the transaction, click on the Cash button. For more information on digital coupons and how to set them up for your business, visit goftx.com and get started with FTx Academy to learn the ins and outs of Loyal and Save.